Hi.
We're going to do eye drops? All right.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do this one. Okay. There. Yeah. No. Oh. Blink. Yeah. Yeah, go tilt your head. Tilt your head. Oh, yeah. Wow, what a facial workout. It's okay. I'll get you a gauze. We're going to use one for each eye. Hold on. I should have been prepared. Oh. You still doing it? Hi, how is it? Okay. Did you get it in your eye?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Okay, relax. Here. What, baby? Yeah. No, I made a mess of his eye. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Do this one. Okay, now David. All right. Blink your eye. Keep your head straight. Yeah. Keep it. Facial workout. It's so cute. I needed to have this on video. You're so cute. Oh, now you gotta just sit and let it chill. Good job. High fives. Yeah. United we stand. Hi. Don't put your hand. No. Keep it away. Pink eye. It's crapola, but you look at those beautiful eyes. Look at those beautiful eyes. Hi, David. So cute. You're just cute. Like. All right. Want to wipe your eye? With the other one for each eye, huh?
Bye.
Bye.